Welcome to AVESTOR, the world leader in lithium metal polymer batteries. I'll be showing you how easy the AVESTOR lithium metal polymer battery is to install in typical telecom cabinet applications. Before going into the actual battery installation procedures, we'll spend a minute on the key features and benefits, battery construction, and safety precautions. There are a number of features and benefits associated with the LMP battery. Safety. No electrolyte leakage. No thermal runaway. No gas generation. No explosion. Lighter, easier to handle. Short circuit and reverse polarity protection. Over and under voltage disconnect. Toxicity. Significantly less than lead-acid or NiCad batteries. Life cycle cost reduction. No maintenance required. Long battery life. 10-year non-prorated warranty. Wide operating range from -40 to 65 degrees Celsius or -40 to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. No cooling required. No heat pads required. Increased network reliability, predictable performance, accurate alarming capabilities, reduced infrastructure cost, elimination of heating pads, temperature compensation module, special battery compartments, special ventilation, cooling system, 1/3 the volume and 1/5 the weight of lead acid. Real estate saving. Lighter support structure. Easy storage. Shipped fully charged. No recharge required for 2 years. Easy installation. Direct replacement for other technologies. No commissioning charge. Each LMP battery can be hot swapped. No battery voltage matching with power system is required. LMP benefit summary. Over 20 years of useful life. Maintenance-free. 10-year non-prorated warranty. Extremely reliable performance and life in extreme temperatures or climates. User-friendly with automatic battery protection. Certainty of operation via green and red LEDs, local and/or remote alarming. More cost-effective storage and installation. Saves space and weight and infrastructure costs. Safer and more environmentally friendly. Proven technology. Looking inside the LMP battery, we see that its design is very different to current batteries being used. Different, yet much safer and easier to handle and work with. This is a snapshot of the battery. Basically, a 48-volt battery which is equal to one conventional VRLA 48-volt string. If anything in this video conflicts with your company's standard safety procedures, please follow your company policies. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at 1-866-LMP-CELL. The following safety instructions need to be followed at all times. Pay special attention to the precautionary messages. Do not install the battery if you notice physical damage. Do not place the battery on its power terminals or upside down. You can place the battery on its side. Do not remove the storage plug from the data port until you are ready to check the battery prior to installation. Do not expose the battery to temperatures above 150 degrees Celsius, 302 degrees Fahrenheit, as it may catch on fire. If the battery emits smoke or flares, evacuate the area immediately. Do not allow metal objects to rest on the battery or to fall across the terminals. Remove rings or metal wristbands when working with the battery. Use both handles when handling the battery, and do not sling the battery using the handles. Now let's discuss the actual battery installation. The first step is to make sure that you have the required tools and hardware at hand. Most companies require a pair of safety glasses. Please follow your company policies. An insulated 3/8-inch Ken wrench, an insulated 3/8-inch socket, and a torque wrench. Torque terminal bolts between 50 and 60 inch-pounds. A digital multimeter. Ensure that you have the appropriate wiring kit for your application. In many cases, you can use existing cables. If not, you can order appropriate wiring kits from AVESTOR. No aux is not required. It's very important to ensure that you have enough charging capacity. Generally, each battery requires between 4.5 and 7.5 amps. For more information, please refer to the installation and user manual. Ensure that you have adequate shelf loading capacity. Each battery weighs 63 pounds. If you have any questions concerning battery fit and placement for your cabinet, please refer to AVESTOR's ordering guide or call us at 1-866-LMP-SELL. Always transport the battery in its original packaging. Batteries transported outside of their original packaging do not meet DOT regulations. Open the battery box. Each battery comes with the following: dust cap, installation and user manual, quick reference installation guide, battery tracing card. Please take the time to read the installation and user manual. Remove the battery using both handles. Read and then remove the battery terminal caution label. All batteries are fully charged and tested prior to AVESTOR shipping from the factory. Then we recommend that prior to installing the battery, you remove the storage plug to ensure that the green LED comes on. At first, both LEDs will flash. Then the green LED comes on and the red LED shuts off. If the red LED comes on, or if no LED comes on, do not install the battery and call AVESTOR for a replacement battery. Reinsert the storage plug. Repeat this procedure for each battery. Remove current batteries, if any, following your company procedures. The power system's output voltage must be adjusted between 53.8 and 55.8 volts. The LMP battery heats itself as required with its built-in heaters. As a result, battery heat pads are not required. Disable the temperature compensation module if installed. If the power system is equipped with a low-voltage disconnect and its use is not contrary to company policies, it should be activated. Place batteries using both handles. LMP batteries can be placed together or left with space between them. It's very important not to connect the battery in series. Let's first see how to install a single battery to the power system's DC bus. AVESTOR recommends that each battery be connected individually to the power system. Before connecting any cables, match proper polarity. Only connect positive to positive and negative to negative. Connect the positive cable to the positive battery terminal. Connect the negative cable to the negative battery terminal. Torque each terminal bolt between 50 and 60 inch-pounds. Use terminal bolts supplied with the battery. Make sure that you use an insulated torque wrench. Protect the terminal connections with proper covers. For multiple batteries connected individually to the power system's DC bus, repeat the previous steps. Follow your company policies for securing the battery. Remove the storage plug, wait for the green LED, and retain the storage plug on site for future use. Do not reinsert the storage plug, as it will put the battery to sleep. Check that the green LED is on. If no alarming system is being used, install a protective dust cap on each data port. Remember, whenever the battery is not in use, the storage plug needs to be inserted. If the green LED does not come on, refer to the installation and user manual or call us at 1-866-LMP-CELL. Let's now see how to install batteries connected together in parallel to the power system's DC bus. We recommend that a maximum of 3 batteries be installed together to be then connected to the power system's DC bus. Before connecting any cables, match proper polarity. Only connect positive to positive and negative to negative. Connect in parallel the negative cables to the negative battery terminals of all batteries together. Connect in parallel the positive cables to the positive battery terminals of all batteries together. Torque each terminal bolt between 50 and 60 inch-pounds. Use terminal bolts applied with the battery. Make sure that you use an insulated torque wrench. Protect the terminal connections with proper covers. The positive and negative battery connections to the power system must be done from the same battery, which is called the selected battery. This selected battery must be at the end of the paralleled batteries. A maximum of 2 cable lugs can be connected to one battery terminal. For multiple batteries connected individually to the power system, repeat the previous steps. Remove the storage plug, wait for the green LED, and retain the storage plug on site for future use. Do not reinsert the storage plug, as it will put the battery to sleep. Check that the green LED is on. If no alarming system is being used, install a protective dust cap on each data port. Remember, whenever the battery is not in use, the storage plug needs to be inserted. If the green LED does not come on, refer to the installation and user manual or call us at 1-866-LMP-CELL. A tracing card is shipped with each battery. With the battery serial number and installation location, fill in the tracing card. By completing and sending in the battery tracing card, you could win a prize. The card can be returned in a number of ways. Drop the postage prepaid card in the mail. You may also email us details, reach us directly on the web, or call us. What to do should a battery need to be returned to AVESTOR? Remove the faulty battery. Reinsert the storage plug. Place the battery in an AVESTOR shipping box. Call AVESTOR for a return material authorization. There are a number of reference documents as well as a 24/7 technical service support hotline that you can call should you encounter any difficulties while installing your AVESTOR LMP batteries. Thank you for choosing AVESTOR.